What's good, YouTube? It is your boy, Mr. Top Heavy, and today, tonight, and tomorrow, I will be staying at Joshua Tree Campground. So instead of giving you the little montage of us getting there, the little time lapse on the road, we're just gonna cut right into it. So, see you at the campground. All right, we are here at the campsite in Joshua Tree. It is Cottonwood. We're gonna get set up and enjoy our day. This bag contains the bulk of our camping gear that comes in stuff sacks. This first one is the Villi portable camping side table. We got that from Amazon. We've got 2 of those. The next is going to be our sleeping bag. It's a North Face Wawona Bed 20. We've got 2 of those as well. Following that, we've got our camp chairs. These are the FlexLight Camp Boss chairs from REI, the orange and then the green. This is just a bag full of our regular sort of day-to-day camp gear. There's gloves, bandanas, there's some headlights, there's a little knife. We are camping on Sunday, December 10th and Monday, the 11th of 2023. We are staying at the Cottonwood Campground, located at the southeast end of Joshua Tree National Park, known for its dark night skies and great stargazing, also known for having little to no Joshua trees in the surrounding area. It's one of the 2 campgrounds in Joshua Tree that has running water. For updated pricing and pricing that fits your group, please check nps.gov. Cottonwood Campground consists of 2 loops made up of 31 campsites. We stayed at Site 31 on the B loop.
water. I really like it. Hi. Oh my goodness gracious. No, you may not. No, you may not. See where the coffee is?
All right, so it is about 7:30 in the morning. I had a pretty decent sleep. It was cold, very cold. As you saw, we did some ramen for lunch. Used our little small camp stove for that. Then got the fire going and did some dogs. Later on, we're going to do a couple trails here and then hit the road. So stay tuned.